Yo, G Trades. Lit, bro. What's up? What's up, man? I'm good. I'm good. Chilling. We're gonna be, I don't want to say tape reading per se. Yeah, it's a good thing we closed the Euro break even. Dollar is, I'm guessing, bearish. Yes. Could take out this low and retrace on dollar. Let me reverse. See what happens. Good thing we broke even. I broke even on that Euro trade. Hmm. 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 Be bullish. Okay. We swept this high on NQ. Previous day high. ES did not take the high, but there is a 4-hour bullish fair value gap below, I believe. I would simply be bearish. As simple as that. Draw the 4-hour. How do we tap into the 4-hour? Oh, equal lows. Yeah, I think this is the drawn liquidity. At least this 4-hour, and you could go deeper into it. Swept the high, SMT, 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Simple idea. Pretty simple. Good morning. What's up, good brother? What's up, my brother? Shit, idiot. What's up, Rohit? What's up? What's up? You know, we're 70-point daily range. That's not that bad. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and I'll flash my butt. Like, I don't know, bro. 500 subscribers would be crazy. What's up, Nicolay? You just wake up? I woke up literally 12 minutes ago, maybe. Okay. Yeah, I'm bearish. I honestly wouldn't be that opposed to taking shorts. We already tapped into the 4-hour here. Oh, shit. That changed things. Okay. Only this candle though, not this candle though. What's up, Yogi? What's up, Rohit? What's up, everybody? How you guys? Do you guys take any trades yet? I'm still NQ to at least come take these equal lows. Obviously, we could just chop. There is news. PMI 9:30 manipulation. 10 a.m. distribution. PMI is pretty. What's up, Meta's work? None today though, bro. No trades. Got 5-hour shorts on NQ. Nice, bro. Did you take it off this high we swept? I'm guessing. Was there like 15-minute confirmation there? Yeah, we inverted the 15-minute. Nice, bro. That's good. I wouldn't mind taking a quick trade to these lows. One, like the most small risk bullish S&P on 1 hour between all correlating assets. There's also a bearish SMT though. which is bearish SMT, right there. 4-hour average looks good for longs. So interested to think what could happen. I think we're gonna come down to this 4-hour fair value gap. We swept the high on at NQ. We're displacing lower. So you see both sides. Well, what are you gonna do about it? That's not like challenging. I'm just genuinely asking. What do you do when you see both sides? I think we're bearish, and then potentially we could go higher from here. If I were gonna take longs, I wouldn't do it unless it was from this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Euro USD sell. It's hard to say because dollar is bearish, but dollar just swept the sell side. So I don't know. If dollar reverses, maybe. I wouldn't sell euro right now though. Just want to see the price at around 930. We see where it manipulates. In my opinion, today we get something like this. That's possible. We also can just do like a bunch of chop. So we could do this. I think the 4 hours is gonna get tapped in, so we could do this and then just chop. I don't know, like something like this. The market closed at 1 today, so but I am bearish. I want to see this 4-hour get tapped in. If we tap in now, I wouldn't mind honestly taking a small long. I would need some solid confirmation. PMI is a pretty big candle. So either we trade before and get out before 10 or we trade after. PMI candle is usually pretty big, if I'm not mistaken. This is a 4-hour fair value gap. It's huge. I'm gonna mark it out with solid lines. What's up, Sujay? I think it's very high probability we tap into this 4-hour. I mean, it's like equal lows and we swept. Shorting into the 4-hour is not bad, but it's gonna be hard to determine like when it's gonna go lower. We could potentially just, tap into like midnight and then go lower. My hero. I see this will be another day. Hopefully make the today of the W. I appreciate you, bro. I hope so too. That's something nice. Why did it say 9:30? Oh, it's yesterday. I don't care about yesterday's shit. Mm. Odd USD seller buy. So same thing right now. I honestly I wouldn't. Are you talking about like day trade or like swing position? If you're gonna day trade it, first of all, I would not do anything right now because look at this. We've been chopping since for a very long time. Dollar's been bearish, which is why we saw this move higher. But I don't even know if do we take that high? Yeah, there's no S&T. We took the sell side on dollar, so I don't know. Dollar could continue higher now. It's been bullish. We could come to the weekly fair value gap potentially on dollar and then go higher from there. So you could You could wait. You could take longs until here if you wanted. How do you do high time frame to low time frame analysis? Can you demonstrate now? Yeah, I got you. So, see on the daily time frame here, we swept this high. Well, we don't know if it was a sweep, but like we took out this high, right? Important to note that ES did not take that high, this high right here. So Friday 28, ES failed to take this high. On top of that, I'm pretty sure we did not close above 50% of the wick. So yeah, see, we respected 50% of the wick. So that's giving me like two signatures there that were going lower because we swept sell side. Now I'm not saying we're bearish. I'm just saying we might go lower from there because we just swept sell side. And offset accumulation, we just can get filled for a lot of longs, shorts there, selling above the old high. And obviously ES did not take the high, so the sponsorship idea is there too. So daily time frame, let's just go to the 4-hour. So where can we go? Where can we go? We swept this 4-hour. We have a 4-hour, a huge 4-hour imbalance right here. Price has not tapped into it. It's a pretty high probability that we go there because price is only going to go up or down for imbalance or liquidity. We have liquidity swept, taken, and there's also a 4-hour here. But so the idea is price is most likely going to come here. So what can you do with this information? We've been bullish, so you can potentially take longs from here. Is this a fair value gap? No. Maybe like, no, it's not. You could potentially take longs from here if you're bullish, or you could take shorts to the fair value gap. It depends on your model, what you want to do. Like this could be potential 4-hour IRL to ERL, simple trade idea. That's my top-down analysis. What about Bitcoin? I think Alev said something good about Bitcoin the other day. You don't know about Bitcoin? I'll tell you. Let's see Bitcoin charts. Last I remember, it was retracing to a. It was retracing into something. Was it a weekly fair value gap or something? Oh, shit, what did I click? Okay, we already tapped into the weekly yesterday. Orderflow has been bearish. We tapped into this weekly. I would expect this low to get taken, to be honest. Let's look at the monthly. Monthly fair value gap. I mean, overall, I'm bullish. But maybe short term, we're going to start taking out some lows before we go higher. After you check 4-hour time frames, you see to intraday trades. I always execute on the 1 minute or the 5 minute. I've never executed. I mean, I have before, but it's just very choppy. But we could probably sweep this low and then maybe go higher. We already swept this one. This one's pretty well protected. So we don't have to take previous week low. But unless something tells me bullish, like there's no confirmation of longs here. You could wait for a change of state of delivery right here on the hourly, potentially take a long after sweeping that daily swing low. You could wait for a change of state delivery. It would have to close above right here, and you could long. But I don't know if this is going to be the move of the month per se, because basically you're going to have to identify when we come for that high. When is it high probability that we come for this high? We already put in the monthly low 2 months ago. Could go higher. I'd look for SMT with Ethereum maybe. See if Ethereum took that low. Let's just see. Am I tripping? Market opens. Ethereum also looks bullish. Bullish in the longer time frame. Ethereum swept that low. Is that low? Ethereum looks good for longs. I would initially need higher time frame confirmation. Okay, So after the 4 hour, I always go to 15 minute, and then I wait for a key level and I look for my trade. Like this right now, manipulation up is exactly what I want. That's enough manipulation for me right there. We just traded above midnight. That's enough for me. I can target these equal lows. If it gives me a reason to. I think there was, if I'm not mistaken, there was like 8:30 AMD, right? Accumulation, manipulation, and we could distribute lower potentially. If you guys see that, 8:30 accumulated. We'll see where we take some, maybe we take out this sell side, this minor sell side. That would be more than enough. 8 a.m. 8 a.m. We took it on both assets. Let's see if we get a SMT or a breaker off this. I'm okay taking that with low risk. Only because it actually lines up really well. There's an obvious drawn liquidity. And there's an obvious AMD. But if it doesn't give us something, right now we're thinking lower. We could also chop until news. It's also probable. Notice how like 9:30, yeah. Well, we're still going. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame. Could sweep the London high. There's also a 15-minute fair value gap here. It's another reason to go lower after sweeping buy side. Now we have triple equal highs. I wouldn't short this. I'd expect those highs to get taken. You guys take London? No, not yet. There's these highs and then there's London above. I would want to see it take these equal highs. It doesn't have to take London for me. I would need some confirmation. Maybe SMT here with a breaker. There's a potential breaker. No SMT. I don't know if I'll trade it if there's no SMT. I want like the highest probability. I'm personally looking at sells. I might not take anything because then I'll flip a coin. But I'm here just to read price. And if something jumps in my eye, that looks high probability, I'll go in with lower risk. I'm okay doing that. We have higher time frame SMT. I believe it's right here. We just take it was 6:30, right? 6:45, 6:30. So we have higher time frame SMT. Look at the 5-minute. Oh no, not the 4-minute. I'm not gonna take this, but this could be a potential entry, just literally like this. CISD SMT. Damn. I wouldn't take it now because we tapped into the fair value gap. I mean, I wouldn't take it anyways, but there's SMT there with the change of state of delivery. The expectations are so low. That's valid, bro. I'm mostly here just to tape read. London BSL return to range. I think 4 hour for value gap. How's it going? It's going good, bro. So let's see, hypothetically, you would have just been filled on that change of state of delivery. I wouldn't have taken this, not even if it was a better trading day. But let's see if it works. I think that's enough manipulation to take us to the 4 hour fair value gap. Good reaction so far. ES formed a fair value gap. Just tapped into it. Nice reaction. How much risk would that be? 0.75. You could probably get away with like this too. 1.25 risk. Even that low was almost 2R. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Tapped into the fair value gap right there. That's a really good risk to reward. It lacks displacement though. Gotta go also not trading today. Yes, with another manipulation leg maybe. The volume imbalance. Waiting for Friday. I've been backtesting NFP and been pretty shitty post 9:30. Like yeah, like 9:30 and after it. It's usually, I don't know. I was backtesting it and it was pretty shit. NFP Friday, yeah. I don't know if it was just the days, but like 9:30 usually I haven't seen that much. If we form a fair value gap here, invert it with a breaker, that would be really nice. No fair value gap. There's a volume imbalance there. We didn't close above. Price overreact to the premium. Too cheap. Are you talking about this? Oh, Friday. Like, is it? Would you say it's like? Would you say it's usually like bad price action after? Like when you say you're gonna trade it, you expect to trade 9:30, or you expect to trade um next week is API? And after the volatility. Valid. We would it never took out this high. This high is like pretty well protected. If there was SMT at this high, I would have considered entering. If we step back into this volume imbalance, might take it. Because should we fail to take that high? I said no, I won't take it, but I did think this was gonna go lower. Expecting the order block so far. USD reacting to the buy side. Can you describe what SMT tin forms you? What do you mean tin forms? USD reacting. What buy side, bro? It still only looks like it's going up. I don't see no reaction. SMT informs you of a potential reversal. When you see SMT and you have a good bias, right now I'm expecting a reversal because we still have buy side in a premium with an obvious strong liquidity lower. If I saw SMT, that would kind of confirm that we're gonna go lower. We do have a higher time frame SMT, which is why this high is also protected, but it's still forming. Like for example, there's still 3 minutes until the 50-minute closes. Again, you see this chop, so it's like the good thing we didn't really enter. I do think it'll go lower, but this isn't really a trade you want to be in. One's going down, the other one's going up. Now they're both going down. Bro, my chart has gaps. What's the best provider for charts you're using? TradingView? What do you mean, gaps? You have beta adjust on and ETH. Make sure these two are ETH and beta adjust if you're trading futures. And then, yeah, use NQ1 as your ticker. I mean, yeah, but not for futures, right? Futures is just gonna be the CME group. This SMT might, like this little SMT right here might send us higher. You could maybe scalp this. Can I trade through MetaTrader? I don't think so, but I'm not actually 100% sure on that. SMT equals smart money tool. When I'm talking about it and so far, when I've been talking about SMT, I've been talking about SMT divergence. So one asset made a higher low, one asset made a higher high. Sorry, one asset made a higher high, one asset made a lower high. But yeah, it stands for smart money tool. Now we have these equal lows. I think you should also switch, brother. When you look at daily time frame money, you can see that it's reaching to buy size above the close on 1206 and close on 1306. What do you mean 1206? 12, what is 1, 2, what is 1, 12.06? Am I tripping? The date? Oh, you said day first. Oh, 13 and 12. Oh, you saying we're coming here? Yeah, it's a good chance. I think it's more just the dollar's been sinking. Potentially because there's a weekly fair value gap. So we'll see. I almost for indices day trading, because I also swing trade future forex. When I trade index futures daily, I always enter on the 1 minute or 5 minute for day trading. See, now we have SMT 938. If we get an inversion, I wouldn't mind. But this is just chop. No, I do mind. I definitely would not take this. Does US 30 move fast to get good RR? I mean, you can get good RR on any asset, if that's your question. Does it move fast? I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad, that's for sure. The accumulation was really nice. Like, we really could have had a nice accumulation manipulation and then distribute lower. But like I said, we might wait for 10 a.m. news. If I'm gonna trade this, the best thing that could happen for me is if we have like accumulation. I don't think we tapped into the 4 hour yet. Did we tap in? No, we didn't. We didn't tap. Oh, we're talking about this 4 hour. Yeah, it is. I might not even take any trade, but I like these equal lows. You're right though. It is reacting off the 4 hour here. I hope you get bag and need. There's a good chance I won't put on a trade today. I'm coming in with the mindset that I'm probably not gonna put on a trade and just read. So far, we've just been chopping. Look at pre-market too. I was maybe thinking we could get like some nice accumulation manipulation and then distribute. No clean entry, so I wasn't gonna take that. The next thing I could expect is we chop until 9:30. I chop until 10, and then maybe manipulate and distribute. What's the difference between US 100, US 100 tech? Genuinely, I have no idea. But trading US 100 and you'll be fine. Might still reach for London high, 100%. Let's actually mark that out. Let's see if we break this S&P is what I'm more thinking. We have the S&P higher time frame here, I think. It's right here. No, it's right here. We did sweep a lot of highs, but we do have London high above. Can you show your chart settings? Yours looks clean. Like the candlesticks. Go back on the 15-minute time frame here and watch what price does. We just swept London high on ES. London high on ES. That could send us lower into the 50-minute fair value gap. My chart settings. I'll let you take a picture. This is my chart settings. Everything's black. The first one's clear, which is gonna come like no body, and then all black. I took everything off. I don't want any of those things. The titles for indicators is the only thing I have on. My canvas is this color because white is just like too bright, you know. Can't do that one. Text is the smallest text. I'm hiding events. Price at 15-minute breaker. My tripping. I don't see no breaker. We swept London high. No reaction on NQ. See what happens after sweeping London high. Can you mark out the market structures once on 15-minute time frame? Yes, I got you. Give me 1 sec. We could also, if we take London, we could just consolidate after. Also possible. If 10 a.m. just takes London, we could just consolidate. You said, can you mark the 15-minute market structure shift? Yes, it's right here. That's your 15-minute market structure shift. That's the first swing high that got broken. And this is a strong market structure shift because it's the manipulation leg that swept this low. But basically, we have a 15-minute 2022 model long. And it would look like this. It has to break the whole leg. Oh, you mean you think it's this whole leg? I mean, on the 15-minute time frame, this is a leg, but this isn't the dealing range. Hey, this would be the dealing range. Like this whole range is the dealing range, but this is another range as well. Like for example, on the like the 5-minute time frame, you'll see that's the dealing range on the 5-minute. But on the 15-minute, the thing is, if we took out this high, I wouldn't even expect. So isn't the bullish candle there our breaker? Oh, you meant the bullish breaker. I was talking about a bearish breaker. Yeah, that is a bullish breaker. Well, we would have had to do like it wouldn't be on this time frame. There is one on a lower time frame. Here it's not clean because you have like you need a low high then lower low. So like there isn't really a swing low here. This is your first swing low. So it would have been like low high. You were really talking about not taking trade in this crypto market, which led you to that decision. The market closes at 1 p.m. today. And the market it's also NFP week. So when there's NFP week, usually the days before NFP can be very choppy. You can see that we've already been very choppy. Look at ES, for example. So that's why I'm not really inclined to take one. Yo, 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 Elliot, what's up, brother? Did you take a trade today, Elliot? But if I do take one, because something really nice presents itself, and I'm willing to, put up some risk, it'll be lower risk just by default. It'll be like, yeah, if it's a big if. It's a big if. Now, especially, it's a big if because if we sweep London, like, okay, sure, we could come back into this fair. We could use this as a draw on liquidity. Swept London buy side already. 10 a.m. news. So we're just watching right now. Volume imbalance, 1-minute time frame right there. Don't let the downwards candle thinks it's gonna dump. I don't think it's gonna dump. Too close to London. That is a rejection block, if I'm not mistaken. Honestly, I'm not good at identifying that. I just know that it's there. Your S&P 500 chart, you have gaps between some candlesticks. Like, do I have any gaps? We could long this 15-minute fair value gap, to be honest. But yo, what was I gonna say? This up close candle, so it was acting as a bearish order block before. You can now treat it like you can use it on the other side of the curve now. Some people call it a mitigation, but I don't think it's a mitigation. I don't think that's the right term. I don't know what it's called. This isn't technically a breaker because there's no swing low. You would need a swing low, swing high. There's no swing low here. The first swing low is right here. So it would have been, but there's no high after. So technically it's not a breaker. Not on the 15-minute time frame. You go to the 5-minute time frame, yeah, there's your 5-minute breaker. Low, high, lower low, higher high. This is your 5-minute breaker. No fair value gap in line with it. Okay, London buy side. We're one tick away. There it is. London buy side. Taking on both assets. You check Discord DMs? Yeah, I can check Discord DMs. Sent you a screenshot of your gaps. There we go. You take that long, Poggy? Hey, nice, bro. Where did you enter? Did you enter on the 930 for value gap? What yo Koala? 947 OB? Oh, you just entered off that. Oh, okay, I see. No, you good, bro. I mean, it's clear drawn liquidity, right? Yo Koala, do you have this enabled? ETH? Gonna trade your live this week? Let's go. You bullish or bearish to all-time highs? Bro, honestly, it's really hard right now. After seeing that wick flip, honestly, it is pretty hard to say. I'm definitely thinking all-time highs gets taken. You send me, I'm gonna check that out. It's honestly not clear. I do think all-time highs will be taken, maybe this week from NFP. I was expecting it to do it from lower. Bullish power of 3 after 10. This week is called blow ass. The freaking awesome. I know that was good shit. Good shit, Pocky. I mean, this is your 2022 model. Targeting London buy side. You're taking a trade just like this. 2R. See what happens now. Yeah, breaker almost formed in Q. I don't know how to trade futures and how to analyze them. It's probably a different way. If you trade ICT, then it's the exact same way, brother. Breaker almost formed. Yeah. There's news in 30 seconds though. We just gamble news. We just click sell. Yo, you know what I like? I don't know if this was an update, but see how it says buy and sell now? That's exactly what I needed. I'm in lock since Monday to take out all-time high. Good luck, Raj. NFP might send you there. Are you on ES or NQ? You see this wick? Like, after I saw this wick on Friday, I was really expecting lower prices. Now it looks like we're coming for Friday's high. And then just potentially all-time high. What? Oh shit, I thought I entered a trade, bro. I was so scared. I was like, what the fuck? Listen, Koala, I'm gonna tell you something that's gonna shock you, okay? Did we get SMT on that 10 a.m. news candle? No, we did not. That scared me. Yeah. We just tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. If we create a 1-minute bullish fair value gap inside of this, I might take it. Those equal lows just got taken. Oh no, we didn't. London south side now. I was thinking London South Side, 4 hour fair value gap. It's all equal. Wait, am I tripping? There's no London. Oh, what London? There's no London South Side. Just South Side. What did you want to tell me that will scare you? It's not gonna scare you, but yo, SMC and ICT are the exact same things. Whoever tells you otherwise is incorrect. ICT is the author of SMC concepts. Smart money concepts is the same thing as ICT concepts. I don't know. People have been making it their own, doing whatever. Oh, we got SMT here. I would have market bought, to be honest, if I saw this. That's probably gonna go for high. I think we go higher because I don't know. Look how close we are to the. We're just close to all-time highs now, and we've been bullish since 9:30. We just swept these lows SMT. I don't know. Let's see. We just closed up that range. He doesn't like ICT. Yeah, ITGR does not like ICT, but he's teaching you concepts that are from ICT, hands down. I don't know if he learned it from him. I don't know if he made it himself, but those concepts are ICT concepts, which is the same thing as smart money concepts. Who doesn't like ICT? TJR. Honestly, if I saw this SMT, I might have taken the trade. ICT is hella fun when he gets mad. I love ICT, bro. Now it's D time. What's D time? Oh, distribution. I think we might just chop, to be honest. But let's see. We could take out those daily swing highs. And NFP tanks. I don't know. If it goes higher, I'm out. I wouldn't be surprised if we chop. As the 1 minute SMT inside the 50-minute fair value gap, it tells me higher. But let's see. He has a good history of trading too. His most recent lives, he lost up, but he has a lot of lives where he did really good. If he goes to all time, on Friday will be TJF. Yeah, that's exactly what Lev said. Friday could be TJF, which could be good. On lower time, we have an entry long. For me, the entry long would have been right here. As soon as this candle closed here, just kicked my ass today. Yeah, you can't be trading 10 a.m., brother. Especially not PMI. You trade New York FEGs? I mean, I always trade. I don't, like, that's a weird way to state it, but, like, I guess you could say that. I definitely look at imbalances. If I was going to take this trade, if I saw the SMT, I probably would have entered right there, market buy. Honestly, if it comes back and puts a low here, I might even take it. But no, it's just so choppy too. It just moves so quick. Just because the SMT formed inside 1 minute SMT, 15-minute fair value gap. And it would have been such low risk too. Like you could have already taken partials, which is the only reason. Obviously, stop loss would have been here. You could have already hit 2R really. Like if you really, depending how well you saw the SMT. Like you take half at 50% of the candle. You take half at 50% of the candle. And then you take the other half at the high. Beautiful. Beautiful in my opinion. but that's a hard one to catch, to be honest. I'm trying to get funded. I blew one account in phase 2. That's okay, bro. I blew my first account too, or whatever. So a lot of people blow many accounts. Media rebalance. This might just go higher right now. Could long this volume imbalance. Like you could, I'm not gonna do it, but you could do something like this. Target that the body high, then the high itself. That's your partial. Stay with low ones, bro. See if you could pass one. You would be looking for longs. Yeah, 50% FEG could have done the same thing there. I didn't see the SMT live either. You take a short into the volume imbalance. There's a fair value gap there on ES. Tempting. Use on EU. This is tempting. But I've seen better trades. Yeah, they are bad on Forex. The volume balance is great. Why aren't you taking it? Just the conditions are bad. Like the drawn liquidity is higher, but like I'm not expecting a big move. It's just it's not a plus. If I was gonna take something today, it would have had to been a 28 plus plus plus. The FEG on ES is a little bit better, but then there's just such a long wick here that I don't wanna trade against the wick, you know? Not every setup is high probability. Well, that one was definitely not. Just because this long ass wick. We're going lower. Yeah, we respected 50% of that. Inversion there. This short scalp could be a lot better. Target the SMT. Wouldn't be surprised if it just, yeah, rebalances. Came down to the lower volume imbalance. More structure. More structure and like just a different day. You see someone actually views on EU. I wouldn't take longs now. Oh, DXY in the weekly fair value gap? Ooh. I'm bearish. If I were you, I'd be waiting for a bearish confirmation. Why do you look at the micro or mini? The difference is really small, and I know I'm gonna trade the micro, so yo, hold on. If I could get like bearish confirmation here, bearish confirmation here. Shorts on euro wouldn't be too bad. Target this huge volume imbalance. Oh, it hasn't formed yet. Is there one on the daily? No. We just tapped into a weekly fair value gap on DXY. 10 a.m. one candle. Well, I'm gonna trade the micros, so I'm more focused on the micros. Look how we respected that fair value gap. Look at that. So close to closing below, but we didn't. But you know what I'm saying? Like, you really see anything here? Like, there's nothing really high probability. There's no. It's not clean. Like, you can just tell. It's not in a rush to go anywhere. Um, call it what you want, but I see bearishness on other pairs. Exactly. That's why I'm looking for other pairs to tap into a key level or bullishness, but I don't see any key levels being tapped in. I had a thing marked out here. Yeah, I don't know what it was. If we sweep this low, maybe we could look for a long on US CAD. Just no pairs hitting a key low. How long have you been trading? Like trading in general or just like studying trading? Or do you mean like actually putting in live trades? I've been putting in live trades for 7 months and 3 days now. I've been studying trading for almost a year. Um, Less than a year. In September. Or no, it was July. So 1 year. Maybe 13 months. I mean, we could say 50% of this wick. If there was just a key level tapped in on Euro, it could be so high probability. This is a rejection block, if I'm not mistaken. If there was like some confirmation, Ho's mad. Why is she mad? You know the 5-second chart? I got you. Is this what you're looking for? That was some good yogurt. Any entry there? Um, so there would have been something nice here. So this was the SMT we talked about right there. And then you can see we formed a mitigation, but there is a breaker in here. It's even lower time frame than this. There's a nice fair value gap here. Look at that fair value gap. Yeah, that's your change of state delivery right here. And there's your fair value gap, market structure shift. Hey, looks like we're coming for the high. No good entry in here though. The only good entry was here. Will all markets close early today? Is it all markets? I think so. All regulated markets. You'd have to ask a Levs. It could have been crazy. Could have been, yeah. It's nice to study, but in hindsight, I don't think it's a good Like, you don't really have to worry about stuff like that, in my opinion. I think you just gotta wait for your model, take it. It is what it is. 10:06. This could be 10 a.m. Power of three. Could be, but this is just ass. I think the biggest thing is like being before NFP week. I've been back testing. I haven't been testing my strategy. I've just been collecting data, and it's been pretty bad. Tanya took another L, so he's using constantly. Yeah, but have you seen her payouts, Chris? She's done really good in the past. I know. I do the same thing, Kumar. Like, bro, Tanya trades live every single day. What do you mean fake payouts? Hmm. Yeah, you could look for a PO3 here, manipulation to the high. If we get SMT, which we probably will, I'm okay taking a scalp short. And she keeps losing constantly. Yeah, but bro, you need to look at the bigger picture. It's not about even her next 30 losses. It matters after a year, after 6 months. Did she end up profitable? And the answer is yes, bro. So, you know, what you hating for? She's profitable. She's made hella money, bro. This PA is mentally draining? Yes. Conserve your capital, your mental capital. Hmm. Like, why my brother Chris, you're focusing too much on the losses, bro. You gotta think longer term. We did trade above the candle high. SK trade. No, I didn't take a trade in 2 days. No trading setup. Yeah, honestly, there hasn't been anything really good. Monday did have one good setup for me, but it's questionable if he's focusing too much on hating. I mean, I don't really care if he's hating or not, but if you're gonna hate, like just have a little bit better reason, you know? Because you can't say like she's not profitable. She could lose 100 trades, bro. She's still profitable, and she's not like one of the best ICT traders, but she's still hella profitable. She's made an insane amount of money from the markets, bro. Even if she keeps losing, this price action is hard. Everyone knew it was going to be hard this week. Yeah, well, I am curious. What do you trade? But that's a good point, Nazar. Yeah, there's other traders who might be better. But I will say one thing. I know those guys, Zusi, and those guys are good. Yeah, you can even have a 20% win rate and be profitable, bro. That was me when I first started. And my win rate was like 25, but I was catching huge trades, so I was winning a lot. I was like still profitable somehow. You trade Fibonacci? Yeah, ICT uses Fibonacci as well. I mean, everyone uses, not everyone, but you think it'll come back and sweep that internal high? What time frame? If I was trading Forex, I'd be looking for confirmation of shorts. That's a nice wick. I'd be looking for confirmation for shorts. Or I'd look for confirmation of longs on DXY, which would be a change of state of delivery right here. And then I would look for shorts. Just fib. Yeah, bro. You just trade fib? Only fib? Boy, don't tell me there was no nice setup and you're only trading fib. What the hell does that mean, bro? I mean, Fibonacci is a good tool, but how do you just trade fib? You just trade every fib? What makes a fib good? Did you trade this? Why don't you trade this fib? Well, I guess we didn't. That would have been hard. Why don't you trade? Nah, I guess it's tough. Works good for swings. I mean, Fibonacci is good. Premium and discount. It's the same thing, kind of. OTE is universal model. Yeah. But OTE isn't a model. I mean, you could make a model out of OTE, but OTE is a tool. Optimal trade entry is a tool. Gold, Euro USD, and GBP USD. Well, what just happened? No, my GBP USD. Wait, did I just close? Oh shit. It's just the micro and E-mini. It happens. It happens. You'll see it mostly on news candles. You'll see the discrepancy on news candles. There's nothing happening here. If Tanya took a trade, then I've watched a lot of Tanya streams. She's a really good trader. If she took a trade here, I think she probably can acknowledge that she might have rushed it a little bit. Dollar going bullish? Yes. I'm waiting for a confirmation. She was impulsive? 100%. She must have been a little impulsive. I know she's a really good trader. If she touched, I think, inversion. If she was like just focus on her thing, or if she was like maybe if she won maybe her last couple trades, I personally think she wouldn't have taken that. Yeah, that'll happen. Did use inversions? Let's see if the trade value got pulled. She's a good trader. I will say I don't like the way she trades in the sense that she doesn't I've never really seen her take a lot of points. For me, like she likes to get in and get out. Listen, I'm not if I had freaking what do you have like 10 accounts or 20 accounts, if I had 20 accounts and I had made $400 across all accounts, shit, I would close my positions early too. But I think she's like happy with like 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure she's okay with like 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5. And me personally, I'm not. If my first parcel is not 2R, then I don't even want to take the trade. She can't even win a trade 1R. But she can. What are you even saying, bro? I've watched her win many trades. For me though, I don't like the 1 to 1. Maybe if I had like that many accounts. Let's go to Asia. But am I tripping? I could have sworn. Yeah, low of days is New York, bro. Who's Tanya? Just an ICT trader. The biggest RR I saw her doing. Oh, really? I didn't know that. I mean, I don't know how much you've watched. For me, and it's not a bad thing, you know. It's fine to have lower RR as long as your win rate compensates. Um, we're still just fully consolidated here. I'm not taking a trade 100% now. She's very profitable. Yeah, and it's fine. It's nothing wrong with it. I'm just saying I don't agree. Like I don't agree. I don't say I don't agree. I'm saying I don't. She's a good trader, but I don't. I would never trade like that. Just me personally. It almost feels like wrong for me. Like I don't know. But she is good. She is good. She's really good. She can read the markets really well. I like the way she reads price. And the truth is, if you had like 15 accounts, yeah, trade by matchmaking 6 figures. I know he literally trades like the smallest fluctuations. But hey, it works. But he's way better. He may be like a better trader, but I don't think he can. In my opinion, he can't read prices better. I don't think he read prices that well. This is how your psychology gets fucked. You keep losing constantly, then you switch to a 1 hour trades, and this all comes while trading in 1 minute time frame. I don't really understand. I will say like losing probably affects psychology for sure. Like one loss probably leads to more losses. Couldn't agree with that much. But I'm sure she'll get out of it. She's done it many times before. She would have to lose a shit ton before she lost her accounts. So there's no need to jump the gun. But she's really good at reading price. Did Tanya take an L? Yeah, she took an L. 1 hour trades need a lot of wins, man. It's tough. She gets those wins. Missed longs twice, not gonna lie. 10 a.m. candles carried me for longs. Did you take anything? I was AFK. The only long I could have potentially taken today that I thought was A plus was taking a market buy on this SMT. I didn't take it. I didn't even notice the SMT was too fast. But even then, it's let me guess she was bullish. I have no idea, bro. That's the one you missed. You notice it, but that's a hard one. I mean, it's not even really A plus. And then even like TP, like you would have TP'd body high, I guess. But like that's so wishy-washy, bro. Like don't even stress yourself by thinking about stuff like that, in my opinion. I don't know if he was bullish or bearish. I'm on top step. It's a lot better to end with zero, exactly, bro. Cause for me, it's not even about the money. It's the psychology of like, shit, I shouldn't have taken a trade or whatever. Like you wanna show yourself the discipline. That's what it is for me. So, for sure, I'm not taking a trade now. I was open to it, but not anymore. We still haven't taken 10 a.m. side. Bro, I don't want this. You guys are just we're just making it seem like we're just like fucking pocket watching Tanya all her every moves, bro. She's a really good trader. She reads price really well, and that's all it is, bro. And she's very profitable. MFF has a really good plan. Yeah, it's really good. She took an inversion. Well, I don't even see any inversions. She trade ES. In my opinion, like, I'm not gonna make assumptions for her, but in my opinion, if she took a trade, I don't think she lost because of Dodgy's model or whatever. If she took a trade, I think, in my personal opinion, she just Like I think it was just a psychological. I feel like if you gave her the time and be like, "Would you take this trade again?" She would say, "Absolutely not." Because I mean, just look at this. What trade, bro? We had 9:30 do this, and then since then we've been chopped for 60 points. We're inside 10 a.m. candle chop. Can you take inversion? I mean, yeah, of course. One setup for life to data high. There was a 30-second bearish inversion. That's not that bad if you caught it at 10 a.m. I don't even. Oh, that's what she took. I see it. So I'm guessing she took this. Yeah, that's not even that bad though. She took this inversion. That's not that bad. Like you had the SMT. Oh, it's not this. It wasn't that inversion right there. I'm saying the trade that she took. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is the one she took off the SMT. That's not that bad. We had a really good push. It made sense that we were looking to come for 10 a.m. high. She got stopped out. We traded above the body high. But yeah, that's saying like the entry wasn't bad. It's if she look, she's really good at recognizing conditions she should not trade in. How did the stop loss go? It would have had to been the low for it to be valid, which is just bad RR, which is okay with her. Not like bad RR. Like 1 RR is fine. Like she's happy taking 1-to-1s, I think. Um, yeah, but the idea is expecting a large move. You can't really expect a large move. It could have been inversion low Kumar. It could have been the body low. It could have been the actual SMT low. Same as Dodge's criteria. Uh, I mean, the setup wasn't bad. The idea is just the context. Like, can you really expect large range today? I mean, just look at it. Even if expansion did happen, it would be so hard to time it properly. She took another long off this inversion. Good play. But like in my opinion, it's just 50-50. That's a good reaction though. But it's really just 50-50. I mean, literally, we were literally in equilibrium of this range. So yeah. So in my opinion, it's yeah. In my personal opinion, it's not the best trade. She might be on tilt, or maybe she sees something I don't. I don't want to talk shit. Yo. She's really good at reading price. She she knows a lot about her psychology. She knows a lot about how she trades. But in my opinion, I would never take this. I would never take this. Maybe she feels like inclined to like get it back 1-to-1 or R. Like your stop loss would have to be here, in my opinion. 1-to-1 is so small. That's so small. It's just so weird thing. like you know what it is about 1-to-1 RR? Like I feel like you can be her stop loss all the way here. Oh, she just going for it, huh? Okay, I see. Yeah, valid. Could play out. I don't know why her stop loss is 10 a.m. low. This is an intermediate term low. This low should not get taken. In my opinion, this is a better stop loss. I mean, we're just fucking following her now. This is funny. But like the thing about this trade is, I mean, yeah, like if you really, what makes you think the 10 a.m. high is gonna get taken and not the 10 a.m. low? Is it the 15-minute fair value gap? That one already played out. I mean, it doesn't mean it's not valid, but she got out. Yeah. Like I don't know. I personally I don't know how I could tell you whether or not we're gonna take this low or high. I could not tell you. I have no idea if we're gonna take this low or high. She took that inversion, but she didn't. What about this inversion right here? That she didn't. Like she didn't notice that. You could have taken the exact same. You could have taken the exact same trade shorts. That's an inversion. Today's trashy. You gotta recognize these conditions. And really, to be honest, the reason I like signed into my TradeBait account is I wanted to like test my discipline. I wanted to test my discipline. Yeah, but that's a scary trade to take, um, Alebs, because like what if it just takes a high? On yes, it's worked out a little bit better, but oh, that would suck if it just plays out right now. If it did play out, it would be for the wrong reason. China took another L. I think so. But yo, you know what? Listen, with all due respect, we don't have to just, like pocket watch, let her be, bro. Trading is hard enough as it is. There's no need to be like, shit trade. She knows, bro. Whether it's, I'm not saying it was a shit trade, I'm just saying I wouldn't take it. She'll figure it out. And look, I mean, it looks like it might play out now. I mean, if I were to take it, I would put my stop loss right here. Just the inversion fair value gap low. Or it would have been here, I guess. But no, that's way too fucking low. What's wrong with an L? For real. With luck? Yeah, that's another thing too. Like, even if it does play out, for what reason? The only thing I can think of is like we're close to the drawn liquidity on yes, which is all-time highs. And the 15 minutes holding, kind of. In my opinion, we could have came for a 10 a.m. high or low. There is SMT 10 a.m. low, but if I were to take one, it would be leaning towards longs. BTC hourly bullish setup. What did I say? I said I was looking for confirmation hourly, or was it 4 hour? Um, Hourly setup? Yeah, you could. SMT on mode doesn't matter. Yeah. No, you're right, 100%. I wouldn't take that. Yeah, I mean, I would not consider shorts on BTC right now. I mean, long. We did take out the daily swing low into the wick. It took sell side and SMT. Yeah, but just looking at the higher time frame, I mean, I do want all-time highs because we're inside the monthly fair value gap. But like, hear me out. Let me show you how this works. Monthly fair value gap means you need a daily confirmation. So I would need personally my model for swing trading. I would need something on the daily chart to tell me we're going higher. And there was a market structure shift fair value gap right here, but it's not valid because it's into another bearish fair value gap, and it was just tapping into the weekly. So bearish daily FEG, yeah. I would need some strong confirmation. that this monthly fair value gap is gonna hold. Well, I think it's gonna hold, but I need some confirmation that it's gonna start reversing. So maybe if we get a breaker, low, high, lower, low, and we get a breaker here, I could potentially long to the all-time high. That's a potential for me personally. That's how I swing trade. Bullish retracements. Yeah, you could go for that if you noticed that. I haven't really looked at that, to be honest. What I do know is my stock's doing good. 62.73. I'm gonna sell at 66.7. BTT to 40 so I can buy. Yeah, let me just spend an extra 40. Bro, why does this keep happening? Go back. Oh, 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 nice. I already took 2 L's this week. I was really not trying to take another trade in this low probability week. Tomorrow we won't be live. Yo, my soul caught a win? How? Oh, let's caught a win? Nice, bro. You know, we could see like 1050 silver bullet. Meh. Me? Yeah, I don't know. Plus, I mean, first week of the month is horrible. It's horrible, and there's also holidays and NFP, so. Yeah, first week's always hard. NFP week, ICT said not tradable. Yeah, he'll stop trading by Wednesday. USV pulls back, made SMT with DXY. USV. Yeah, I'm interested in swing shorts on Euro as well, to be honest. I just, from where? Do you only trade NQ? No, I trade Forex as well. I honestly don't know where I would take this short from. I wouldn't just market sell this. I would need some confirmation. So I might miss this one. I don't know. We tapped into the weekly FEG. We need 4-hour confirmation of longs. That means it changes the delivery here. NQ pumped. Hey, there it is. 10 a.m. high. SMT. We're not trading it. I don't care if a beautiful setup forms. I don't want to take a trade. Especially I'll sign out. But the reason I signed in originally was because I was trying to test my discipline, you know, because I knew if I signed in, I would have been a little bit like, oh, I can just put to trade, you know. That's what I was thinking. So I'm glad I didn't take something. Take a paper. You know what? You want me to do some paper scalps? I'll do some paper scalps. See what I can do with $1,000 in the next 10 minutes. Just for fun, I'll look at the 15-second chart on my second monitor. To keep yourself busy, give me an inversion, I'll sell. Full margin. Share it with us too. The 15-second chart. I just longed that 15-second fair value gap, which was also lined up with the 1 minute. Ultra scalp. As soon as this 15-second closes, I'm TPing. Oh, I'm closing. Put a text. Put a text demo. Oh yes. Wait, I gotta go long again. Okay. All right, we close there. I just took two 15-second FEGs. Oh, it feels so good. We're up. We're up 87. We just tapped into another 15-second FEG. The inverses on my short. Oh yeah. Oh, it wicked. Strong wick, go long. This is actually fun, though. Closing. I'm gonna enter at the OB on 15-second. Oh, I missed it, I think. Take a look at 3-minute chart. If we inverse is 1 minute, I'm gonna short. I mean, inverse is 15-second. 15-second volume imbalance. I was gonna long to it, but it was too fast. Let's go to the 5-second. 5-second will be better for scalps. Damn, we just went. Ooh. Shorting this. Oh, I didn't get a good fill. Yeah. Yo, what the fuck? 5-second chart is so fun, bro. Come on, reverse off the volume imbalance. Take the low. Yeah, we're out. Yo, this is fun as hell. It's actually fun. I actually can't lie. In and out so quick. Respect 50% of the wick, I'll go long. Oh, I missed it. No, it was too fast. I meant to say short, which is basically short into this fair value gap. All right, we're shorting into the 1 minute. All right, we're out. Now, if it respects it, we'll go long. Long to the 1 minute high. We haven't taken a single L yet. No, don't inverse. Go up. Yeah. This is how you read the charts. I don't think he would do that, but bro, 1 minute, like what I'm doing right now is we had 1 minute like FEG. I'm taking 15-second buy side sweep, a 5-second buy side sweep, and then lower. Alright, it's taking too long. We'll close in profit. Can get greedy. Alright, we're accumulating right now. I'm gonna look for AMD. Let's see, whatever side we manipulate, I'll go long on the other side. Bro, we actually just won all those trades in a row. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, bro. But yo, Chris, if he won all of those, well, something's got to be right, you know? As soon as we sweep one side, and if we show displacement to the other on 5-second, I'll go long. 5-second and 15-second is key. Okay, we swept sell side. If we inverse that candle, I'll go long. Yep, almost. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. Okay. Oh, we didn't really close above. I took a bad long. Yeah, but I think that's what it is. That's definitely what it is. He hypnotizes people. It has nothing to do with the concepts that work. Nothing to do with the profits. It's just hypnotize. I see the scam now, chill. Yeah, yeah, you got us, bro. Yo, Chris, can I ask you something, brother? Guys, I think we just lost all our profits in one trade. All right, now we just gotta go short full margin. Damn, what does that feel? Don't do that to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm not mad, bro. I've been very calm this entire time. I think you're being quite ridiculous, but I really don't care personally. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Even if ICT himself told me it doesn't work, bro, I would still do it. Look, we long for the immediate rebalance. We long for the immediate rebalance. Oh shit. Well, there goes all our profits, boy. Yo, on a real note though, on a real note, SMT 10 a.m. high with the inversion. Yo, Chris, yeah, I mean, yo, honestly, brother, if we're not gonna talk about anything productive, why are you here, bro? You know? Maybe don't look if I sure to the 1 minute FUG. But that was a little bit confusing for me. I'm long in a 5 second bullish breaker right now. Waiting for 5 second buy side. A bit inverse is the 5 second. I'll close. The high is too protected on the 5 second. Uh, which is an NPC. His quest is to hate ICT. That's funny. Why not though? Why not what? 5 second volume imbalance. I should have added there. Rookie mistake. This is going higher. Alright. Let's add on the volume imbalance. Let's add right there. What happened? Did it work? Click add. Why isn't it working, bro? Man, we're risking the whole account on this one, boys. You said right here. Why not? I mean, don't you feel like it's a little bit boring just to be here to continue to say the same things over and over again? He has to be using a bot. Honestly, it could be a robot. We are gambling right now. What do you mean, bro? I'm in the 5 second breaker OTE at 32. We just hit OTE. Look, look at this breaker. I added it right there. Tapped into the 5 second FG. That's a freaking trade. I will say that breaker looks really good on the 5 second. We're looking at 203.2038. I will take it off there. Take it off there. Break even. Break even. Shit, we can't break even. At the low. At the low. We're almost CP. We're almost CP. Oh, yo, imagine you like actually took an account with. Let's go. Yo, imagine you actually took an account $1,000 and you just did that. See what the results would be. For real. I should have broke even in hell. All right, I'm out. We'll come again when you trade live. That's something that a trader can do. That's a retail trade. What's a retail trade? Oh, true. The fees would kill the first. Commission on 54 macros or 1 million. I'm out. I will come again when you trade live. That's something an ICT trader can do. I don't understand. What can I do? What? Trade live? Don't go, Chris. Chris, don't go. Bull flag is bull flag is good. The bull flag works in discount, not because the bull flag works, but a lot of the time in discount. But this is a bull flag. This is the bull flag, right? This would fail. Well, hypothetically speaking, the way ICT teaches it, why it fails, why it works. Anyway, on a real note, we could potentially get a setup here. AOI. I think I'm the only one. But what are you even talking about? I guess I feel like you're just like generating these responses with a robot or something. What about in short when we break the FEG? It's possible, but I'm not gonna take it though because I'm not even bearish. So see, Elliot, he's just trolling. I wonder if he's even a trader. I wouldn't short any of this to be honest. There's no way. You could maybe look for like a quick 1-to-1, but it should be WCT. We're too close to buy side on yes. Let's buy a Bugatti. Yo, we each pitch what we can. Personally, I can put in 150. 150. What do you guys got? We'll take turns driving. We all pitch in, we can do it. I think that's it for me today, guys. I'm gonna look at DXY, see if I don't know. I don't want to swing trade through NFP. Um, but streaming good for you. Let's buy Issa Buffati. Buffati. Bro, Buffati's the best card in the world. I love Buffati. Anyway, listen, we're up 128-1280. So like we really can't complain. You know? You know what? Hold on, watch this, watch this. Market mastery right here. Boom. Never lost a trade in my life. 100% win rate. Alright, we're gonna leave this runner. Let's get this retrain, just come back next. Yeah, tomorrow I won't be live. Friday I will be. Wait, I didn't get filled. What? Yo, this is robbery. Come back. Get my fill. Okay. Um, we will be back. Yo, did we lose a single trade? Oh, we lost two. Can we delete those? Can we just? I'm gonna post this on Instagram. Done for the day. You were robbing banks. I'm demo trading, brother. But thank you. We will be live on Friday, watching NFP. I'm not waking up at 8:30, but I'll be there at 9:30, seeing what happens. In my experience, not much happens at 9:30. Not much happens at 9:30, but I'll be there. Sometimes there's some nice moves. Just what fun on noticing backtest. So we'll see. If anyone has questions, we'll look at DXY. We'll look at where's DXY. I want a confirmation of shorts. The 1 hour tendency delivery is not good enough for me. I would need tough. It really is tough. Okay, we swept this daily low. If we get the 1 hour change of state delivery on DXY, I'll market buy long on market sell short on euro. But it's NFP week, so have a great day, man. Got an alert. See you guys. See you. I'm gonna end the stream as well. I appreciate everyone coming. If you have any questions, message me on Discord. We'll get back to you guys. Peace. I'll go make some breakfast. See ya, Ryuk. See ya, Rev. See ya, Teja. See ya, Chris. Nizar. Elliot's already gone. Finn. What's up, brother? What's up, Samuel? See ya, brother.